So one of the types of sliders that you can actually go ahead and add in inside of Jotform is slider with a calculated result widget. So to do that, I'm going to click on add element and I'm going to go to widget, and let me just go ahead and type in slider, and there's slider with calculated result, as you can see right here. Let's just go ahead and click, and once you do that, you can see the configuration and the names right here as well. So I'm just going to go around over here, and let's say there's third slider, fourth slider. You can go ahead and copy and then paste this out as well. And you can also calculate out the values, as you can see right here. But let me just go ahead and remove out, let's say, all of these sliders right here. And in the first slider, let's say I'm going to say price right here. So minimum is going to be 2, maximum or minimum is going to be 1, maximum 10, default 3 right here. Or let's say maximum is going to be 100. And the second slider right here is going to be quantity. Let's say, for example, right here. And the max is going to be, let's say, for example, 7. And instead of 5, I can add in 6 and 7 right here, just like this as well. So the names actually pop up. So once I do that, I actually need to do calculate formula right here. So I can see that number 1 is the first value right here, and number 2 is the second. So I'm just going to go around and add in multiply right here, just like this. You can even go ahead and use divide, minus, and plus right here as per what you want. But you can see that this price is, let's say, for example, this in USD right here. So the price is, or I'm going to say the total price is, so you can go ahead and change that out, and it'll be updated right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and update, and once you do that and go around over here onto preview form, this is what you have. You can change the price, and you can see like this changes out. You can change around the quantity right here, and you can see the name change as well, and you can see the final price right here, just like this. That is basically how you can go ahead and use slider with the calculated widget inside of Jotform to get the calculated result as you move the slider. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.